been a sunny Sunday over much of South Africa's interior, but with the large amounts of cloud pushing in along the coast. You'll see that cloud extending from the southern Cape Coast all the way through to KwaZulu-Natal and even the eastern part of Mpumalanga, resulting in a mostly cloudy Sunday with a few drops of rainfall. Our satellite shows most of the thunderstorm activity over the northeastern part of South Africa, with a few isolated thundershowers popping up over the northwest and Gauteng, as well as Limpopo and Mpumalanga. Scattered thunderstorms are expected over that part of South Africa overnight, with a fine and dry start of the work week over the western part of the country and a hot forecast in the west. We're still expecting some rain around the Wild Coast, with thundershowers for Gauteng, the eastern part of the Free State and the northwest, and a mostly cloudy day with scattered thunderstorms over the northeastern and eastern interior. For tonight, up to a 60% chance of thundershowers is expected for KwaZulu-Natal, parts of Mpumalanga and Limpopo, isolated as we head towards Gauteng, with a 40% chance of rainfall and showers over parts of the Eastern Cape. On our wind map, you'll see a southwesterly wind gusting along the east coast, with the southeasterly wind also picking up in the southwest. But as a low starts to move in along the west coast, light and variable winds are expected on Monday, with the southwesterly wind along the east coast, and that's due to a low pressure that you see lying in the Indian Ocean. Overnight, chilly conditions are expected for Graaff-Reinet and Sutherland, both dropping to around 5 degrees, 17 as we head into Cape Town, in the mid-teens along the eastern Cape Coast, 19 degrees for Durban, 18 for Richards Bay, Mbombela and Pretoria, and a minimum of 16 degrees for Johannesburg, with a minimum temperature of around 10 for the Free State. Then tomorrow afternoon, we're forecasting maximums in the upper 20s for Gauteng, but mid-20s for Polokwane and Mbombela, as well as along the east coast, only 20 as we head into Pietermaritzburg and Bishu, with a high of 23 for Port Elizabeth and East London. Hot in the west, though, with Cape Town and Springbok both expecting a high of 32 and Fredendal topping 34 degrees. On Tuesday, the sunny and dry weather continues in the southwest, with a possibility of a few showers for Springbok at 27 degrees. We're forecasting thundershowers over the far northeastern part of South Africa, extending all the way through to the north coast of KwaZulu-Natal, with fine and dry weather over the central part of South Africa right the way through to Wednesday. But in the west, we'll see a cold front bring in some rainfall, with that chance of rain spreading through to the eastern Cape by Wednesday night, and thundershowers and hot weather is forecast in the northeast. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Enjoy the rest of your day.